Medical emergency.
What seems to be the problem?
My stomach is killing me.
Where does it hurt the most?
It hurts right here.
How long has it felt like this?
I started feeling kind of sick last night after dinner, but this morning the pain got really bad.
Do you have a history of stomach pain?
No, and I haven't done anything out of the ordinary.
I think that we are going to have to get you to an emergency room right away.
I think that is the best way to figure out what is causing this. Thank you very much.
Stomachache.
You look kind of green.
I don't feel so good. I have a major stomachache.
Did you eat something strange?
I had fried shrimp and clams for breakfast.
Maybe you have food poisoning.
Yes, that could have been it, but I haven't been feeling that great for the past few days.
Are you under a lot of stress?
My stress level is pretty much what it usually is.
Maybe you have a touch of the flu.
I think that I might be getting the flu.
Toothache.
What can I do for you today?
I have the worst toothache.
How long has your tooth been bothering you?
For about a month or so, but it's gotten really bad in the last couple of days.
Did you do anything that might have aggravated your tooth?
You know, I was eating Jawbreakers in the movies the other day, and I accidentally bit down really hard on one.
What kind of toothbrush do you use?
I just use a regular hard bristle toothbrush.
Does it bother you when you eat something really sweet?
Oh, when I do that, it hurts a lot more.
Does it bother you when you eat something really cold?
Yes, it definitely bothers me more when I do that.
I have a cold.
How are you feeling today?
I have a terrible cold.
Where do you think you picked that up?
A lot of people in my dorm are sick. Perhaps I picked it up there.
Have you taken anything for it?
I think that I am just going to rest and drink plenty of liquids for a while.
Yes, staying rested and hydrated is really important.
My sister also has this special potion with hot wine, cayenne pepper, and sugar that works miracles.
You might want to ask the pharmacist for his suggestions if you get any worse.
Yes, if I get worse, I will definitely look for extra help with this.
Stay fit and healthy.
Hi Peter. What have you been doing with yourself lately?
Not much as I'm busy with work, but I have started exercising.
Are you trying to get in shape?
I just want to improve my health.
That is a good idea. I need to as well. What are you doing?
I am going to the gym and do weights and running on the treadmill.
I also think that I need to eat better. It will also help me keep in shape.
Did you know that sleep is good for your health? I have heard that people who sleep on average of 8 hours a day will have less health problems.
Yes, you are absolutely right. That's as good. There are a lot of things we can do to stay healthy.
It will be worth it in the long run. When you get old, it is important to be healthy and active.
Staying healthy.
Doctor, can you give me some suggestions on how to stay healthy?
Well, you need to make sure that you eat the right foods.
Sometimes I don't know what the best foods are.
Fresh fruits and vegetables are important, along with protein and whole grains.
What should I avoid?
You shouldn't consume too much caffeine or sugar. Also, watch your intake of fatty food.
What else is important to stay healthy?
You need to get plenty of exercise every day. If you smoke, you need to stop.
How about having a beer on the weekend?
Less than a serving of alcohol a day can actually be good for you. Do not overdo it.